Channing Tatum funny interviews.
Love it.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up, Channing Tatum? What you posted. Look at that, little fairy wings.
I wore the exact same outfit, actually.
You ain't that.
Yeah.
No, you did not.
I swear to God, I wear fairy wings all day.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What?
Jenna loves fairies, so therefore I love fairies, and
Yeah.
everyone has to wear fairy wings all the time.
Beatboxing.
Yeah, beatboxing.
You just start to just giving her a beat.
Yeah, like
I'll start crying. You calm me down. Pretend. But don't look at me. Don't look at me. Pretend.